Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Defender icon missing from the task manager. So if you are click on the arrow icon over here you are facing problem that Windows Defender, Windows security icon missing. You want to back in here on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Only one simple step will fix this problem guys. Let's jump straight into it. For that you just want to right click on the task bar and select task manager. On left side select startup apps. On right side you just want to enable the security health sign tray guys. If in your computer this is disabled in your computer, you just want to right click on it and select enable guys. You just want to enable this one, Windows security one. After enabling it, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. But if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to go search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator over here and click on yes. The command prompt window is opened up. You just need to type sfc space slash seannow. So this will fix if there is a bug or if there is a corrupted issues in your Windows. This will help you to fix the problem guys. You just want to press enter after typing it sfc space slash seannow. Press enter. Wait for it. This will take 5 to 10 minutes to finish it. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully your problem will be solved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.